This is how you create a Left 4 Dead 2 voice pack. A Left 4 Dead 2 voice pack will replace a given survivor's voice lines with other voice lines. First of all, you're going to want to make sure you have all three of these softwares installed. I'll put a link to Audacity in the description. You're going to want to go into Steam, right-click on your copy of Left 4 Dead 2, go under Manage, and browse local files. Now, there are voice lines in pretty much all three, or all four of these folders, but we're just going to focus on the first one, Left 4 Dead 2. Go into it, go under Sound, go under Player, go under Survivor, go under Voice, and here we are. There are 4 different folders. Each folder's name corresponds to which character's voice lines it contains. Each name corresponds to a character in Left 4 Dead 2. There's Coach, which corresponds to Coach, Gambler, which corresponds to Nick, Mechanic, corresponding to Ellis, and Producer, which corresponds to Rochelle. So you're going to want to pick which character you want to have a voice pack for. Now, let's just pick one at random. In that case, it would be Mechanic, which is Ellis. So if you have the spare disk space, you can copy and paste their folder here. You can create a new folder, call it to do, which is where you'll put the lines you're going to do in there. And you're going to put another folder. You're going to name it voice lines or whatever you want, actually. Now, take your copy of Audacity and let's go in here. Let's take a listen to this line.
Adrenaline shot here.
Now, you're gonna be recording that line. Firstly, when you record on Audacity, you're gonna want to make sure that all the stats match up, like the sample rate and the whatever the fuck that is. The best way to make sure it completely matches up is to just straight up drag one of the files on and then just delete all the audio. Now when you're recording, you're going to want to make sure that you've selected the track you're going to record to. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Perfect. It's recording our voice. Now that you have the recording track set up, you're going to want to pick a few lines, cut, and then paste them into to-do. Now that we have our to-do list, we can pick a few of the voice lines out and record them.
Adrenaline shot here. Adrenaline shot here.
I find it usually helps to listen to the voice line a few times beforehand. And then when you actually record, you're gonna mute. Adrenaline shot here. Now my diction wasn't the best there, but it's fine. Adrenaline shot here. You're gonna want to make sure that the audio length is exactly the same as the original clip. Otherwise, you're gonna have to rebuild the audio cache. You're gonna want to name this new voice line as you export it to the same as the voice line you just recorded. And if you go into this folder, you'll see run shot here. It's right there. Now you delete the line that you just recorded. Go to the next one. And first you're gonna clear your track.
Grabbing a shot. Grabbing a shot.
Grabbing a shot. Now you might want to re-record a few times just to make sure it's good, but it should be fine here. Grabbing a shot. That's alright. Now here, you're gonna want to rename the exported file to the same name as the voice line you just recorded. Delete, clear it, and drag in the new voice line. Now that was kind of shit, but it's fine. And you're gonna want to zoom in on here and make sure they're the same length. Export it, and make sure the names match up. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is create an add-on for VoicePack. You're going to create a folder called sound. You're going to create a folder called player, a folder called survivor, and we picked Ellis, so we're gonna put a new folder called mechanic. We have 3 voice lines here, so we're going to drag and drop them into the mechanic folder. Now maybe it's just a problem on my end, but when I tried to load these add-ons without turning them to a VPK first, I usually run into issues. So first, you're going to want to create an Addoninfo.txt file. Addoninfo.txt is it's metadata for your add-on. You're going to need it to compile to a VPK. So I'll have the link for this in the description. Addoninfo. Gonna paste it. Now, there's a bunch of shit here you're gonna want to change or customize, but mostly just the name, the add-on author, and the description. Save it. Now, since you have Left 4 Dead 2 authoring tools installed, just go into your copy of Left 4 Dead, browse local files, and under bin, there's gonna be this thing, vpk.exe. Now you're gonna drag your add-on folder on top of it, let it run its course, and there, we have addon.vpk. You go into the add-ons folder, and you're gonna put your add-on in here. Now, to test out our add-on in-game, we're gonna launch our copy of Left 4 Dead 2. Go into add-ons, and Here's our add-on. See, everything I put in the Addoninfo.txt is in here. You're going to click Play Campaign, Single Player. You're going to pick the character that you created voice lines for. Now, for convenience sake, to test out the voice lines, you're going to want admin tools and admin menu, the add-ons from the workshop.
You're serious, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Okay, guys, now's not the time for a pissing contest. The building's on fire. Let's get off this roof while we still
I'm
can.
up. Dollars to do.
I'm here.
That chopper's heading to the mall across town.
Shut up.
You look like a man who knows his...
Anyways, so you're gonna want to open the admin menu. For me, I created adrenaline lines, so I click weapon commands, only me, items, and adrenaline. Now that was my voice. You might not be able to tell, but it was. And that means our add-on is working. So from here, you're gonna want to record from between 2000 and 2600 voice lines. And then the character will have a full voice pack with your voice in it. Thanks for watching.
Hey, I seem to have fallen.
I'm gonna kill myself.